Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and Me. Today we are going to be making this frozen banana and strawberry ice cream. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started! We will need 2 bananas, a few strawberries, 50 ml of double cream, and 2 tablespoons of a dates syrup. So our bananas and strawberries have been frozen for 3 to 4 hours, and now we're going to blend our ingredients together. So we're going to add in 50 ml of double cream along with the bananas and strawberries. You could add in 100 ml of milk instead. And then we're going to add in the date syrup. Again, you could use honey instead. The dates just gives it this extra flavour. As you can see, the ice cream has been nicely blended, so we're just going to take it out into a different container. If you like your ice cream a little bit more stiff, you can put this into the freezer for another hour or so. But if you like it nice and soft like this, then it's time for plating. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!